Last time I said I never expected to do this. Now I'm doing it again. I expect to do it because I did it once. But we got another pair of Skechers. My son said we need more Skechers. Oh, you see it? They have lights. These are wild. And listen, at the end of the day, ladies and gentlemen, when they're kids, it's less important what the brand is. They just need to look good, feel good. And Skechers, they keep putting out the work that the kids love. These wild colors, and the comfort is off the charts. And then when you do that, you got the sneakers that light up. You already know the kids love these. Now, I can report back on the last pair of Skechers, which I'll link in the description. So if you want to see that review, you can see what's up. But I'm reporting back. They're still here. He's still running them in the ground, but they look good. So I'm going to say for Skechers on the durability side, they're doing their thing. I'm not a kid and I wouldn't rock these, but my son loves them. And his little boys, they love them too. The kids are into Skechers. I don't know what it is. They didn't have Skechers when I was a kid, so I couldn't even say we were rocking them or not rocking them. But look, I save money. You want to ensure your kids look good. Doesn't have to be Jordans all the time. We just reviewed some Fila's on the channel. And listen, all I can say is the kids like them. They're growing on me, so let's do it. It's your man, Little Peso. You gotta let me know, are you feeling these? Are you copying your kids' Skechers? Do you have them with the lights? I need to know. Let's talk in the comments.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching Not a Sneakerhead. You can subscribe here, or you can watch a video that I've selected just for you. Make sure you keep your sneakers clean and have a great day.